Uptown Swing, level 1 Charleston.
I'm Stacia, that's Peter.
This is week number 2. You're rocking it. I can see the practice in your bodies. It's getting much better. So we did a little review of the basic and 2 things we said about it. It's on that basic. You want to make sure rock, step, kick, step, double, kick, step. You got to actually get that kick underneath you so you can fall onto it, that last step. If you go rock, step, kick, and you're here, it's hard to fall down onto that foot. If the kick's more here, your body's going a little back, you'll fall onto that foot and rock step easily. Watch us go. Rock, step, kick, little back into, little back, and you fall into that rock step more easily. The other thing is it's tempting to let those kicks take your pelvis forward, and then you're way on your heels, you don't have a good balance. And we talked about how sexy it looks when I do that, but you want to do like this instead, and be nose over your toes, way in front there, so you really got that athletic stance. We keep that the whole time. Hey, ha, ha, ha. Then we did a skip up. Ha, ha. Bam, we practiced rollback. Ha, ha. Bonus points on the rollback is you can kick step on the rollback if you would like. So you can kick step, it's the same as those slow walks we did. We did this pattern. Basic number 1, ha, ha. Basic number 2, hey, ho. We did a skip up, hey, ho, ha, and a roll back, and a big old kick, and then boom, you can start the whole thing over. Last thing we did was practice for next week. We did these double kicks, kickaways. My left, her right. Double kick, double kick, double kick, double kick. Not double kick, double kick. You can't do it, it's really impossible. So it's turning the whole time. This is always turning. Think about where this goes. Think about when these go. Double kick, double kick. I'm just a lighthouse, turning the whole time. Get some practice with that, and we will see y'all next week.